They all track the same index, the S&P 500. But here is the shocking truth, they are not the same. And choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands of dollars over 20 years. Today I'm going to break down exactly which one you should buy, and why. Welcome back to your channel name, where we make investing simple for beginners. If you watched my last video, you already know what ETFs are and why they are the best investment for beginners. Today we are going deeper, VOO versus SPY versus IVV, the ultimate comparison. Let's get into it. Here is the problem most beginners face. You decide to invest in the S&P 500, great decision. But then you go to your brokerage, and you see three different options, VOO, SPY, IVV, all tracking the exact same index. And you think, which one do I pick? Most people just randomly pick one, or worse, they get so confused they never invest at all. Today I am ending that confusion forever. Let me first show you what each ETF is. VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF created by Vanguard in 2010. Expense ratio, 0.03% per year. Current price, around $500 per share. Assets under management, $1.1 trillion. SPY, SPDR S&P 500 ETF. Oldest S&P 500 ETF, created in 1993. Expense ratio, 0.0945% per year. Current price, around $560 per share. Assets under management, $550 billion. IVV, iShares S&P 500 ETF created by BlackRock in 2000. Expense ratio, 0.03% per year. Current price, around $560 per share. Assets under management, $500 billion. All three track the exact same 500 companies. So what is actually different? Let me show you. The biggest difference is the expense ratio, the annual fee. VOO charges 0.03% per year. IVV charges 0.03% per year. SPY charges 0.0945% per year. Now that sounds like a tiny difference, but let me show you what it means in real money. If you invest $10,000 and leave it for 30 years at 10% annual return, with VOO or IVV, 0.03% fee, you end up with $169,800. With SPY, 0.0945% fee, you end up with $164,900. That is a difference of $4,900, just because of fees. Over a lifetime of investing, this gap gets even bigger. This is why fees matter more than most people think. Now here is where SPY actually wins. SPY is the most traded ETF in the entire world. It trades billions of dollars every single day. This means SPY has the tightest bid-ask spread, which matters if you are a trader buying and selling frequently. But here is the thing, you are a long-term investor, not a trader. You are buying and holding for 10, 20, 30 years. So SPY's liquidity advantage means absolutely nothing for you. For long-term investors, fees are everything. All three ETFs pay dividends, but there is a small difference. VOO and IVV reinvest dividends more efficiently, which means slightly better returns over time. SPY holds dividends in a non-interest bearing account before distributing them, which creates a small drag on returns. Again, tiny difference, but over 30 years, it adds up. One more thing, minimum investment. VOO, you can buy fractional shares on Fidelity. Start with just $1. SPY, fractional shares available on most brokers. IVV, fractional shares available too. So all three are accessible for beginners with small amounts. Okay, so which one should you buy? Here is my final verdict. For long-term beginners, buy VOO. Reasons: lowest fee, 0.03% backed by Vanguard, most trusted name in investing, most tax efficient for long-term holders. Warren Buffett himself recommends Vanguard Index Funds. Second choice, IVV, same fee as VOO, 0.03%. Great if your broker gives better access to IVV. BlackRock is also extremely reputable. Avoid SPY. If you are a long-term investor, higher fees will cost you thousands over time, only useful for active traders. Bottom line, VOO is the winner for beginners. Period. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, it really helps this channel grow. Subscribe for weekly investing videos that actually make sense for beginners. Comment below, are you Team VOO, SPY, or IVV? Let me know. See you in the next one.